Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 7 to 12. Register today for Cell Talent Search exam for class 6 to 12. Admissions are now open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2022.
We have given a memorandum to the DGP on account of rising crime rate in Goa and specifically against women and children, especially sexual related crimes. Of course, there has been good amount of detection by the Goa police and ज्या तरेन आज पुलीस ऑफिसर्स जे काम करता पळय ते आनीक बरे भशेन जावन क्रायम प्रिवेंशन कशें करचें हाजेर आमी तांकां कांय सजेशन्स दिल्या एंड वी हॅव अश्योर्ड हिम फ्रॉम आवर सायड दॅट वॉट एवर वी कॅन डू एज पब्लीक सर्वंट्स एज पिपल्स रेप्रेझेंटेटिव्स आमचे कडल्यान कितें कितें जे तांकां जाय पडटलें त्या गोश्टींचेर आमी तांचे बरोबर आसतले.
It is not only about धरपाचेच न्ही धरपाचे but we have requested that we feel that there should not be any political interference. We need a woman chairperson commission, woman commissioner जी chairperson is missing. बाब विश्वजीत राणेक सांगूंक सोदता आनी होम मिनिस्टराक जाता तितले बेगीन थंय ते chairpersonaक घालात. There are many ladies, many girls, many families who cannot afford a lawyer where to pay the hefty charges, you know.